Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got another case from bulk.com with some interesting items in it, uninspected returns. Let's check it out. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so what do I expect to see in this? So this is basically an uninspected returns case of women's shoes, various different quality and quantity. 29 items is what it said it's supposed to be in here. I only paid $200 and that's fully shipped. And so total of $200, which makes each item in this case worth about $6.90 per item. So let's see if we can do pretty good. The last case I got like this, we already have sold some items and it's been really awesome. If you're interested in anything you see in this case, go ahead and check out my Poshmark store or hookedonpickin.com. Those are going to be the two places you'll find the majority of the items. Look at that, packed to the brim. So, Floopy, these are some cool fuzzy slippers. Let's take them out and see what they really actually look like in the condition. So the nice thing, they're in the actual manufacturer bag. They still got the tags on here, never been worn. So those are in great condition. Another set of Floopy. These are actually put in their own poly bag. Check the bottoms, they've not been worn. This is size 10 for a pair of red kind of slip-on loafers.
What was the pink size?
The pink size was 7/8, medium 7/8. They usually do slippers kind of in a general term. All right, here's another pair of slippers. We'll take these out of the bag. You can't really see them. These are also a size medium. I'll figure out how to get them out. Oh, these are mucklucks. Mucklucks have been selling great for us. Some kind of crocheted looking ones, really fuzzy, size medium. Let's look at the bottoms of them. Yep, never been worn. So just have fuzz from this on it is all. So far, I'm loving this uninspected returns condition. Here's a pair. This one comes with the box. JBU, Jambu. I don't know why I said that, but look at those. Those are cool sandals. Those are a size 8.5 women's. Ooh, look at the little flowers on the back heel. See those? And then they have a little detailed stitching on the front as well. Oops, sorry. There we go. All right. So those are awesome. I love that they come with their own box. What are these? These look like some sort of a water shoe. Sloggers, they're called. They're totally rubber. Sloggers, wear it all weekend. Made in the USA. They come with insole inserts as well. But brand new with tags. Another pair of Floopy moccasins, tan in color, size 8. The sloggers are size 9. All right, what else is in here? Pair of dress shoes. Size Olive Street, size 7. Black flats with a little bit of about a 1-inch heel on those. Size 7. We got a pair of boots here. I'm going to pull them out of the packaging. These are mucklucks, size 8. Kind of a leather suede boot. Really cute detail. Purple on the side. Brand new with tags. Let's see what else we got. Pair of Fable is the style, size 7, tall boots. Let's see what these look like. It's like they're kind of gray and black. Oh, look at those. So we're January, so I need to get these listed as soon as possible so that we can sell them. but look at their beautiful condition. Love those. Okay, I have one random boot with no match. Hopefully we find it in the box.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, that's not a good sign.
Anyone like one shoe?
One shoe, just one. Well, that's one is all you get.
One
just one muckluck. All right, here's it's a muckluck. Yes. All right, here's another pair of Serenoma. I believe I sent those into Amazon, I think. Anyway, a cute pair of just black boots. We're still on the lookout for the lone muckluck. Pair of red floopy slippers. Just kind of pull out some more. Here's another pair of slip-on floopy slippers, size medium. The red ones are size 8. Put these off to the side. All right, still can't find that boot yet. All right, these are some flip-flops.
You think you'll find the boot?
Ooh, I don't know. I don't see it in there. Everything in there looks wrapped. So I don't see like a single unwrapped one. I hope we can find it. That'd be lame if it was just one boot. Here is a pair of, what are they? Dogs, size 10 flip-flops. These look like men's. Maybe they're not. What size are they? They say size 9, but they look to me like they're men's. Waterproof, weatherproof, size 9. They look like a bigger than a size 9 for women. Because this is a size 10, and these boots are clearly bigger. So I think that's a size 9 in men's. It's a Snow Tech pair of waterproof, weatherproof. All right, let's see. Ooh, here's some dress boots. That's what I like to see. The winter boots are great. They're gonna sell for a decent price. Like I said, we only spent $6.90 per item. I'm definitely gonna get more than that out of the winter boots, but they're seasonal. And so if I can find something that's not as seasonal, like these are women's dress boots. So these will sell a little bit better even in the off season. So a pair of heeled, lace up, really soft and fuzzy, flexible fabric, knee-high boots. These are size 9. Still have not found our lone boot. Oh, here's a pair of brown ankle boots, size 10. Kind of a combat boot style with a zip-up side. Really cute detail on it. And then we've got another pair of tall boots, size 9, color olive, so a green pair.
Just like this gray.
Are they just like the gray ones? Yes, they're identical to the gray ones over there. Let's pull them out and see what kind of different. There they are. Quilted kind of look on them. What brand did I say those were? I don't know that I did. I don't know what brand they are. Just says olive on them. All right. Are we gonna find it? The long lost boot. Still treasure hunting in here. Here's some leather boots. Some dress boots. They're flats. They're kind of a khaki grayish leather knee-high. These are size 7.5. All right, we've got some clothes here. Men's thermal tops, size small. There's gray, camo, and black. So it's a set of 3. A lot of times I can split those up. So the cool thing is they were listed, because they only have one LP tag, they're listed as 1 item. So that's actually 2 more items than I had anticipated. So instead of 29, we're now up to 31 items in this box, because this was labeled as 1 item as a lot. All right, let's see. Some white tennis shoes. So this is awesome because I can sell them any time of the year. So these are Epic Step white tennis shoes. Let's see. I don't know. Let's see what size they are. Size 10, women's Epic Step. Pair of pink floopy moccasin style slippers. We're going to set those over there with the other ones. Still have not found it yet. All right, combat boot. All right, let's see. This is a quilted ankle boot. This is a black quilted ankle boot. Size 9. They're mucklucks. Love me some mucklucks. They sell for awesome online. All right. Are we going to find you, little boot? Let's see if we can find you. Hey, look! Right here. I don't know how it fell out of the bag. Size 8. There it is. Is this one a size 8? Yep. Size 8 pair of mucklucks. We found its little friend. Yay. Now you don't have to walk around with 1 boot on. You can actually buy 2. Back together again. Nice. Those are cute too. All right, another pair of floopy moccasins. These are size 11. Another pair of mucklucks. Okay, let's put these back in the bag together so that we don't lose them again. I don't know why in the world would that have fallen out of the box? So that doesn't make any sense. Like somebody chucked them from across the room to see if they would land in the box. Yeah, not too many more. Oh, pair of those again. Did we pull those out already? Yes. So, yeah, those are the exact same ones we pulled out earlier. Yeah, those are size 9. These are size 11.
Do you like it?
Nope, these are... Like yes. Actually, no, these are size 9. They're the exact same pair, exact same size, because I make 1 listing and list 2 variations on my Poshmark store. So that's super nice. Or if I send it into Amazon, I make 1 listing, set the price, and then just print 2 labels. So it's really, really nice to get the same. Now, that being said, I don't want 20 of the same size and same style, because then you just have to find that much more interest. But if I have 5 or 6 of the same kind, I'm good with that. Alrighty, so we've got some more boots here. Ooh, these are interesting looking. They're kind of suede, but they've got some sort of a swirly design on them. That's kind of fun and funky. They're also mucklucks. Women's boots, size 10. But they've got kind of a suede look with a fun, funky design on it. Isn't that neat?
Nice.
I know. They got the combat sole on it. So, all right, these I think are identical to the black ones that we had, only they're gray. Pair of gray ankle ones. So the nice thing about that is when doing research to figure out what exactly these style of mucklucks are called, once I find one, it's going to be really easy to just find variations of the different colors. And so only 2 more things left. I think this is the brown version of that same one. Not exactly the same, but similar. Because see, this doesn't go all the way down to the heel like this one does. So that, well, actually, it's probably the same. It's just this one's pulled down. See, look, I'll make it look the same. Da, 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 da. Whoosh. Now it's the same. So those are kind of brown, almost has a little bit of a burgundy look, and it's plaid on the inside, which is cute. Those are size 6. I knew they were smaller. They were tiny. All right, 1 more item in the box. Let's see what else we can get. So I'm really super excited about this box. Look at these. A women's sneaker, casual, girls, black and white. Well, it says casual, girls, women's. So size 8. They kind of almost look like, what are those? Vans? Converse? Yeah.
We're Vans, man.
Yeah, I don't know. Which one is it?
Know
I don't know fashion.
We just sell shoes.
We just sell shoes. So that is going to be awesome. So everything except for this pack of shirts was actually shoes in pristine condition with tags. I don't see any that have even been worn in the store. Sometimes you see a little bit of dirt on the bottom of the shoes for worn in the store. None of these have. So my guess is these are more like shelf pulls, like it was overstock from the store. But great condition. Love this. Going to be able to sell it. Watch my second video. I will give you final numbers on how much I'm going to make on this. If you're looking for any of these items, go ahead and check out my Poshmark store. If it's not there yet, just wait a day or two. We usually get them listed within a couple of days of unboxing this, but most likely it's already there. We're going to show you exactly what we're going to send to Amazon, what we're going to put on Poshmark, and give you final numbers to see, am I going to make back my $200 on these 31 items that I had in this box. So I'm super excited about the condition. Hopefully it's been helpful to see exactly what I found in this bulk.com case of women's shoes that was uninspected returns, but basically practically brand new. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching, and thanks for being my friend. We found this Boots little friend. Remember, it was lost for a while. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and you can be friends with us all the time with notifications of when I put out new videos, so check those out. And of course, if you want to buy some cool stuff, check out hookedonpickin.com. Thanks again for watching, and aren't you glad we're friends?